Laura Salo, and I work as a project specialist in the Innokas network. And we are now here at the Innokas Programming and Robotics Tournament Regional Helsinki Tournament. So this is an annual programming and robotics tournament that we organize for school-aged children in Finland. And we have regional tournaments in many cities across Finland. And then after those regional tournaments, they qualify for the national tournament. The whole history of the tournament has started already in 2003, so this is our 21st year of hosting these tournaments. But we do these annually, and they have gotten bigger each year. So in these last tournaments, we've had several hundred children participating each year. For instance, today here in this Helsinki tournament, we have around 100 children participating in 5 different games or events that we have. And each tournament takes, it depends on the school and then the class and the teacher, how long they prepare for each tournament. So it might be so that they start in the early fall and spend the whole school year preparing for this tournament, or then they have a club or organize a project week or something else to make their competition robots. The big final will be in May on the 14th. And this year it's organized as a distance, as a remote event online. So some years we have it physically as a big tournament for 500 students, but this year it's an online event. So you can log in via Zoom and then come and see the last competitions online. And then we have some fun challenges and games for participants to come and see. So anybody is welcome to join the event.
Hello, my name is Tiina Koronen. I'm head of Innokas Network and University Lecturer here at University of Helsinki. And my role is, I think, I'm the founder of this competition, whole Innokas tournament. And as mentioned earlier, that this is quite old tournament, 21 years old. So I have run this together, of course, with these collaborators, teachers, our coordinators, network coordinators during these 21 years. And nowadays my role is a lot of trying to find funding for this event and these competitions, that we can continue this long and very, very nice tradition. And also I'm also supervising research connecting this competition, and of course guiding and supporting these project workers and our coordinators and judges in different areas in Finland to organize this event.
What do you think is the main benefit for children in this kind of tournament?
First is the I think this enthusiasm and passion to learn. I think that's the most important thing, and nowadays, at least here in Finland, that students get get excited when they are collaborating, planning these robotics and inventions what they are doing for this competition. And of course the second one is the 21st century competencies and these digital competencies in this digital society, that we are supporting students to learn how our society is working, and this understanding this digital reality and doing, we are saying always that they are doing in their scale innovations, small scale innovations, and that's very important. And this collaboration what they are doing during this process is very important. We are calling it invention or innovation education, and that's part of our research element also. We have written also the in collaboration our researchers and practitioners the book Finnish approach to make education, invention pedagogy book, and that's available online to all audience internationally.
And to summarize a couple of conclusions from the research, what would be some main tips or recommendations for teachers to think about in the classroom or school setting?
I think that some kind of research practice partnership is this very important issue, what is not so familiar in Finnish education. So the idea that what kind of tips teachers can get from the research part. For example, one of our PhD students have studied this game development series or competition, and she has found it, for example, different kind of roles what students have during the process. So how teachers, for example, can use these students' roles when they are guiding them to do this kind of process, invention process during the classes. And of course the other research hint or tip or conclusion is also that we encourage teachers to participate also this research part. That of course means some extra work because we are collecting data, and that way teachers can support the research part, but that what we are trying to do is also to make these results easy as possible them to take to practice. So the idea that we are sharing the research result that way to teachers, that they can use them when they are planning the next lessons, for example, and also of course the idea what students are thinking that they are learning during the process is very important. And what we have this one article now in preparation, and there are a lot of these what I mentioned earlier, these 21st century competencies what students themselves are describing what they are learning during the processes.
Go to www.innokas.fi and there click on the tournament pages, and you can have those in English as well.